BIG DAISHOWA was born from a belief that the right precision tool can make all the difference. With every tool we designed, every innovation we introduced, we pushed the boundaries of manufacturing, delivering unmatched productivity, accuracy, and repeatability. Today, we stand at the forefront of precision tooling with over 20,000 solutions in our portfolio, serving the automotive industry, aerospace, energy, medical, and beyond. Absolute accuracy and reliability. That's big. Reducing cycle times and cutting waste. That's big. Saving machine hours and pushing the limits of efficiency. That's big. Our name is a promise to make every cut more accurate, every hole more precise, and every operation more productive. Our name is a promise to make your machines and your jobs deliver performance you can see and feel. Because in the industries we serve, there is no room for error or second guessing. Choose higher performance, guaranteed. Choose BIG DAISHOWA.